Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Oppo mobile guys screen recording full setting, how to use screen recording, how to turn on screen recording on Oppo mobile. In this video friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Oppo mobile. Friends, click on Oppo mobile tool setting. After on tool setting friends, you can see navigation setting, screenshot setting. Friends, you want to on three finger screenshot, touch and hold with three finger to take a screenshot, power button, volume button you can on friends, and you can take a screenshot. Friends, click here screen recording setting. First of all friends, you want to on your screen recording sound, so you can on guys sound from your microphone sound and system sound. First of all select your sound. After select sound, and friends you want to record video without any sound, so you can off your both of sound. Video quality, as video quality, high video quality, medium quality and low quality. First of all select your video quality. If you click custom, so you can set your custom video quality. Front camera friends, you want to use on your screen recording, so you can on and you can use from here. After setup and screen recording, how to use, swipe your friends screen recording icon. Friends, click you, screen recording will start, and friends click here red button and you can start your screen recording. Click here and friends screen recording will start. And friends, you want to record video on your device, so you can record video. And friends, you want to pause video, so you can pause video. And friends, now we will continue here. When we will go wallpaper setting, again click here start video. And guys, again if you click red button, screen recording save, tap to view, click here, and friends you can check your screen recording. And friends, you can check there is no sound because guys we have off screen recording sound. Friends, you want to edit, you want to share your screen recording, you can share. If you delete, so you want to delete, so you can delete from here. Third dot. Friends, you want to rename your screen recording, you can rename. So friends, click here, and friends, you want to rename your screen recording file, you can rename. So I will name into screen recorder and save. File will rename. So like that friends, we can use screen recording full setting on Oppo mobile. And friends, you want to edit, so friends click here edit option, and you can edit your screen recording. Friends, you don't want to use, you can delete your screen recording. Click here screen recording delete. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.